Today we're cooking something so good. Even your ex would come back for a bite. Mini meatballs, small, but deadly. Like flavor-packed ninjas. Mushrooms. The quiet MVPs of the kitchen. No drama, just aroma. And this is eggplant pickle. Tangy, spicy, and just a little mysterious. Like your favorite drama series. Grab one big onion. Grate it till it cries, then squeeze out every last hair. Mix it with 200 grams of ground beef, and boom! The meatball magic begins. Now here comes my secret weapon. Persian spice alert. Gulper. If you've never tried ground beef with gulper, you've been missing out big time. Just a little sprinkle takes your meat from basic to chef's kiss deluxe. Turmeric and salt, simple, but magic. Separate the mushroom caps, they're about to steal the show. Guys, add whatever you love to the sauce. Me? Just bell pepper and potato. That's all I need. Cut the bell pepper any way you like. Me? I go with the lazy cut, but hey, it's got style. For the sauce, you can use tomato paste or puree and a splash of lemon juice if you like. But me? I used my homemade pickle juice. Tutorials on the channel, don't miss it. A pinch of salt, garlic powder, and some hot water. Now the sauce comes to life. Now lay down the mushrooms, place the meatballs on top, pour over the sauce, and toss in the bell peppers and potatoes. It's cook time, baby. All set, now it goes into the oven for 45 minutes. What comes out? Pure deliciousness. What goes perfectly with a dish like this? Eggplant pickle. Let's make it, 'cause without it, something's missing. This pickle is a Southern Iranian classic, it shows up next to almost every meal. Spicy, fragrant, and always on the table. First, peel and slice the eggplants. Then cook them in a mix of water and vinegar until soft. No frying needed. Now, let's get the flavors ready. Fresh garlic, red chili peppers, chopped carrots, and herbs. Mint or cilantro work great. Add everything to a pot. Eggplants, garlic, chili peppers, carrots, herbs, vinegar, and some water. Cook it all together until everything is soft and tender. Now, here's a little secret for extra flavor. Boil some tamarind in a cup of water until the pulp separates from the seeds. I like to add a bit of ground coriander seeds too. It gives such a warm, earthy taste. And here's my personal twist. A spoon of pomegranate paste. It's not in the traditional recipe, but I love the sweet and sour kick it adds. Once it's cooked, let it cool completely. Then pack it into clean jars and press down gently. You don't have to wait days, this pickle is ready to eat once it's cooled. But if you let it sit for a few days, the flavors get even better. Enjoy it with bread, rice, or anything you like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes.